Welcome to Easy Collaborative Art, where I share 3 simple insights into pattern play collaborative art. I'm Charndra, and in episode 16 we're looking at how to create collaborative art murals. How to take my 3-stage group art process and bring it to a wall. I'll show you how the same playful, spontaneous framework works beautifully on a larger scale. Idea 1. Preparation sets the stage. Before your group mural painting begins, prepare the wall together. Start with a regular 3-part primer in white to seal and ready the surface using large rollers and brushes. Then apply a second coat using the primer tinted with your base colours. Use smaller rollers, house brushes or sponges to add interesting visual textures. This stage helps everyone feel comfortable starting on a large shared surface. It transforms a blank wall into an inviting base for collaborative art murals, reducing intimidation and building early ownership among the painters. They're part of every step, understanding all aspects of creating a public mural, and that's powerful learning. Idea 2. Pattern play scaled up. The same 3-stage pattern play process used on canvas works beautifully on a wall. It's just on a bigger scale. Messy playing. You begin with house brushes or rollers to make loose, overlapping marks, circles, arches, spirals in groups of 3. Add clusters of simple shapes like dots, dashes and cat's ears in different places. Chalk prompts encourage big gestural shapes and free play as everyone paints across the wall. For exploring, add a few large chalk prompts again, just 3 to 5, to guide painters to think big. Participants then layer new patterns, swap colours and switch to smaller brushes to create depth and rhythm across the wall. We'd usually do at least 2 layers of exploring, circles and patterns, so we can go from medium to smaller brushes. But the exploring stage is very forgiving. And lastly, for the bling, finally bring out the paint pens for the fine decoration with the same patterns, but think ornamentation and decoration. These aspects add detailed highlights to the mural and draw in the viewers to look closer. This finishing stage ties the mural together while celebrating each contributor's individuality. At the end, I add in the name of the mural on an edge and all the first names of the painters hidden in plain sight somewhere on the mural, as it's a thrill for them to hunt and find their names later. Idea 3. Spontaneity within structure. Unlike mural projects that may have the painters colouring in sections of an artist's design, pattern play murals stay spontaneous and accessible to any age or ability. Painters can move anywhere, responding to each other's marks and collaborating naturally. It's a different approach that might suit your group better. One where painters have real agency in the finished work, and that wonderful surprise of how it all turns out is part of the joy for me as well. I love it. The 3-stage structure keeps the artwork cohesive but still freeform, which is ideal for inclusive mural projects where every participant, regardless of age or ability, can contribute confidently. The result is a fun and expressive collaborative mural that reflects true group creativity. Let's quickly recap today's 3 insights. Number 1, prepare your wall together. Tinted primer sets the stage and builds early ownership. Number 2, scale up the pattern play process, the same stages, with bigger brushes and more movement. And number 3, keep it spontaneous within structure, freedom and flow within a cohesive framework. Collaborative art murals don't need to be complicated. They're just the next step up from the fun layered process you already know. Try starting small with a shared wall panel and you'll be amazed how natural it feels to expand your pattern play process to a mural scale. If you'd like to see how I guide groups through these stages, sign up for my free Beginner's Guide to Collaborative Art. It walks you through the steps with examples you can try at home with family or friends, with your community group or in your classroom. Every project I share is built around pattern play collaborative art. 3 playful steps: messy playing, exploring and bling. It's all about making marks, layering patterns and finishing with fun details that bring a group artwork to life.